All right, what's going on, friends? In this video, I'm going to be reviewing this LED pool light. Now, just yesterday, I was on Facebook, and I was on one of them groups. You know, the groups you can get on Facebook, and I was on one of my pool groups, and I seen quite a few people already talking about this light. So it seems like a lot of people out there already have this and really like it. So if you like this, I am going to have a link to it down in the description. Just watch if they have some of their older ones on there. Some people were complaining about some screws that were rusting on this, and this supposedly is one of their newer models that they fixed that problem, so now the screws will not rust. I downloaded the app there. It comes with a Bluetooth app that you can change all the colors on this thing, and you can set different timers for this to come on and off at different times. It comes with a 26-foot cord that'll go from your pool to an outlet. Let me open it up here and I'll show you. All right, let me get this opened up and I'll show you what comes in the box. Now this right here is the piece that's gonna change your voltage from 110 down to 12 volts, so it will be safe for in your pool. And like I said, it is the input, the range goes from 100 to 240 volts. So you could use this if you live somewhere in Europe or in the United States. And I got the 20 watt model. They actually have a 10 watt model and they have a 40 watt model. The 40 watt model just comes with two lights, but all connected to one plug. It comes like this. Now there's really strong magnets in here that it's going to connect to the side of my pool. Now I have a metal pool. If you have one of them intex pools like you would buy from Walmart, or if you get at Sam's Club, you can use this little piece right here. This is like a little piece of metal that you would put on the outside of your intex pool, and then this would go on the inside, so you'll still be able to use it on one of them. And it says you can use this if you have an in-ground pool. You can just take this glue and glue this on in the inside of your pool. Just put some glue on there, and this is made for gluing underwater. Now I'm not going to be able to show you that because I have an above ground pool. I'll show you how the app works and how everything works here in just a couple seconds. One thing I did see, I'll show you here on the app. Once you get the app uploaded, this app is really easy to control. It has this little QR code right here that'll bring the app up for you. So once you download the app, I found that I had to go into my settings on my iPhone here anyway. Then I had to find this app, because this is what seemed like I was having problems with. Where's it at? There it is. It says Duco Strip. And I had to turn the Bluetooth on. For some reason when I downloaded the app, this Bluetooth was not on. Once you turn that Bluetooth on, it's really simple then. All right, I'm gonna put my light right down over here. And I'm hoping maybe one of these days, one of these little corners on mine, I can unscrew this and maybe run my wire up over that so you won't even see the wire. Just, if you would do that, just make sure you cover up anything that's really like sharp so it won't cut through that wire. But I'm gonna get this hooked up, and then I'm gonna wait till it gets dark out, and I'll show you what it looks like and how to control the app. Oh, there is like a little protective covering on this, so make sure you take that off before you put it in your pool. Oh my gosh, son of a gun. Undo this cord, do this cord. All right, I got it all plugged in. It's already on. I think I'm gonna keep mine right at the top. Huh. It seems to stick pretty good on the side. I don't think that's gonna go anywhere. I'm gonna have to see later if I can hide this wire though. I don't know if I like that. Might even move it over there, but. All right, can you see it? Oh. Can you see it down in there? I have it on. Oh, let me get this out of my way. Right down in there she is. Just sticks down in there with a magnet. Seems to hold on there pretty nice. All right, now all I gotta do is wait till it gets dark out and I'll show you how to work this app. All right, it's definitely dark enough. So let me get these lights turned on and I'll show you a little bit about this app. All right, like I said, you have your app downloaded. So we're gonna click on that app, and then I should be able to click on these lines. And right here, this says BLEDOM, and that little chain looks like it's linked together. If I click on it, it breaks it. Well, that means I should be connected. So I hit this little spot here to the right. That turns my lights on. Oh, it looks pretty sweet. So let's try some different stuff out here. Just spin this around. That looks really cool. All right, we got red. I can't really see the red. Let me turn my one light out. You can. Oh, there we go. Blue. That one. I don't know what this is. We can go to different styles. We can make it blink. We can turn the speed slower, faster. Yellow strobe, blue strobe, 7 color strobe. Oh, that really, let's turn it down. All different colors. Purple. And you can also sync this to music on your phone too, but I can't do that right now because I'll get a copyright strike. So let's see. But here's your schedule. You can make a different schedule for different days of the week to turn it on, turn it off. All right, that's a little bit about this LED light that you can put in your above ground pool, or like I said, you can put this in an index pool or even an in-ground pool. So I hope you like this video. Give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and if you want to check this out, click on the link down in my description, or I'll try to put this in my first comment. Thanks a lot for watching. God bless, and have a great summer swimming in your pool.